Pasko sa tagom, Pasko sa tagom, Pasko sa tagom, Pasko sa tagom, Pasko sa tagom.
Ang simoy ng hangin ay lumalamig na, mga parol ay isabit nyo na. Palamuti at may mga batang nangangaroling sa tapat ng bahay nyo. Magpalitan, magbigay first welcome our City Councilor, Engineer June Coquilla, for his welcome address. A big hand, please.
To the city government of Tagum para mamahimong internationally known na jud ning inyuhang mga kabataan. And balikon ko, with your support to the program of the city government of Tagum, this is one among the considerations why our Mayor Ray Oy, keeps on moving for elevating the level of excellence of our Tagomeños in the field of music. And with this, mas nisamot og taas ang level sa atoang performances sa atong mga kabataan, because we have a guest from Manila in the person of Sir Phil Sakdalan from the Philippine Harmonic. Maybe this is a society that builds Filipino to be a maybe the will be acclaimed as a Filipino that is known for music. So, palakpakan natin si Sir Phil. And with this, we have also lined up activities for the year. We have already crafted the direction for 2026. We have series of activities for music, dances, workshops, because the building near, adjacent to this trade center, diha nadapita sa Rotary Park, we will be building the arts gallery, nga dako ang arts gallery diha, and this young child or children and the coming recital workshops dito na pagahimuon sa likod sa Rotary Park. Then they will be performing sa ilahang mga output og dito na napita. So the city government, just the other day, we have already approved the additional 75 million project for the development sa to ang Rotary Park. So palakpakan na to si Mayor Ray Uy. And with this, our encouragement to the children, again, the inclusion for the possible supply, mga development, musical instruments and others. For those that cannot afford, they can use the available resources of the city para mas accessible na, encouraged and motivated na ato ang mga Tagomeño nga mo join sa ato ang R.T.U music makers. And this is the 12th batch. So again, for the coming batches, pang isa ka Tagomeño sa iyang hunahuna, maglisod siyang palit o musical instrument. So ang city government na ang mangitag paagi para makaprovide sa ato ang mga kabataan. So with this, we welcome you all to this one-in-a-lifetime performance of your children. Ang bot pasabot, excited man ka atong mga kabataan, mas excited ang atong mga ginikanan. So, prepare all your cell phones, your cameras, because your children will be performing as a way of thanking you all. Sila magpasalamat kaninyo pinaagi sa pagduyog sa ilang mga musical instruments sa inyohang kaayo mga ginikanan kanila. So palakpakan nato atong mga kabataan. So for this, on behalf of the city government of Tagum, behalf of Mayor Ray Uy, yang ipaabot kaninyo nga makanunayon yun ang iyang priority is the education of our children and elevating the quality of performances sa atong mga kabataan. So daghang kayong salamat kaninyo. Merry Christmas o advance Happy New Year kanatong tanan.
Thank you so much, sir. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the city government of Tagum for the unwavering support of this musical workshop. This afternoon, let us feel the spirit of Christmas as we witness the talent and dedication of our recitalists as they take the stage for their grand culminating performance. Without further ado, let us welcome the R.T.U Music Makers Batch 12 recitalists for their opening salvo. Let's give them a round of applause. Recitalists. That was just a glimpse of what they have prepared for us this afternoon. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Miss Alma L. Uy, the co-chairperson of Tagum City Tourism Council. Thank you so much, ma'am. Let us keep the excitement alive as we continue to celebrate today's remarkable performances. Up next, please welcome another outstanding presentation from our talented R.T.U wind recitalists. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Another round of applause to the wind recitalists. At this point, let us hear a message from the co-chairperson of Tagum City Tourism Council, Miss Alma L. Uy. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Asa man kumatubang diha o dire? Naglibog ko asa dapit kumatubang. Anyway, magtuyok-tuyok na lang ko. Mayong hapon ka natong tanan. Mga graduates from the R.T.U Music. And of course, the parents and mga supporters sa musiko. Merry Christmas! Manindot nga Pasko nga ang inyong mga anak, inyong mga apo, nakakaton na sa musiko. It's been the project of the mayor since the first term niya as a mayor here in the city. Iyagyod nang gingon nga ang Filipino were really known for music. Anywhere in the world, o musuroy ka, naagyo'y Pinoy dito sa mga club. And which is true. Every time we travel, bisag unsa kahilit nga lugar, matingala ko nga ang nagtugtog dito Pinoy. And ginakanta nila og unsa nga language. Example, na sila sa China, may po sila mo kantag ininsik. Okay? Kung nasa Japan, they're really good also in Japanese. So anywhere in the world, naagyud ta. So known gyud ta ni ani. So nakita ni Mayor nga kani nga talento sa Filipino will take advantage of this. Kay dili na lisod, no? Kay na-innate na sa atua. Kaya naisipan niya ning programa music. Tudluan ang mga bata sa musiko. Kay aside from the course nga ilang pagakwaon pag magkolehiyo sila, They have now the skill in music. And the training na nakuha nila, that's a good discipline ngadto sa mga bata. Ang disiplina nga makuha nila, madala-dala nila yan. And aside from that, once they graduated sa isa ka kurso, and then you have a talent for music or any instrument nga imong nakatunan, siyempre sa resume nimo, pag mag-apply ka, makita man dito what are your skill, your hobby. So mabutang na dito na I'm good in organ, I'm good in guitar. Wow! So that's an add-on dito sa imong gi-applyan. So makatabang ka ngadto sa kumpanya nga imong gitrabahuan. Okay? Paano? Every time there are activities, they don't have to hire musician na ana sa ilang mga empleyado. And that's it. No? So yun ang nakita ni Mayor. Ang katong mention ako nga they're really good in any languages, kadali ra ta maka-adapt tungod sa atong tang. Pero suway ba ang insik magbinisaya? Dili makalitok og L ba o R? Maglisod og litok. Pero sila pag magsulti, akala mo they're really 100% Chinese. Okay. So this afternoon, ipila na ni ka-batch? Ika-12 batches, no? Since pagbalik ni Mayor. Now, nakita na mo sa tourism office na kinahanglan mo upgrade na ta. Okay? Dili lang kutob rata dire sa Tagum. So what we are going to do now, we selected itong mga dating mga graduates sa R.T.U and come up with an orchestra, symphonic orchestra. Okay? So, kaya we invited expert on that, a musician. Here, naa siya diri, si Sir Chito. He's from Bulacan. Gihire, gikuha gyud namo para matudluan no ang kadtong mga bata, and we've been doing trainings and workshop already, and we will be launching the Tagum City Symphonic Orchestra karong musikahan sa Tagum 2026. And if ever ma-realize ni, this is the first ever orchestra in Mindanao. Kadungog na mo anang Philharmonic Orchestra, Manila Symphony Orchestra, even in Bulacan, they're known for that. Pero sa Mindanao, wala. So why we're doing this? Gusto nato ng atong mga bata mahimong ambassador of Tagum City. Kay if we're known nga we're really good for orchestra, ma-hire ni sila to perform. So they will be going places. Ingon ko sa akong sarili, bisag diri lang sa Mindanao, ituyok-tuyok ko ng mga bata just for their exposure. Ang nadala na lang nako, we're really good now with Rondalia. Ang nadala nako sa gawas is the Rondalia. We went to Shanghai, dala ko sila Xiamen, and even, kalimut ako, sa mga lugar, nabit-bit ko because we're really good in Rondalia. Now we're developing them. Mamaya madunggan nyo, kaya we're busy with the training. In fact, for 3 days, halos mag-alas 12 sa gabi na sila mahuman. Kay some of the technique nga nakatuna nila dire, kulang pa. Kulang pa sa limpyo. But now you will listen to them, they're really good. So madunggan ninyo sila during the launching. And this time, napag-train si Church Chito, kaning mga gabmay, ibang ipaperform mamaya. And we've been talking with him, paano yan, mauli na ka sa Bulacan, paano ni mo mapurso. So we have some schedule nga i-fly in lang namo siya dire for the training. And then we will, kumbaga magkaroon ng trainers training to follow up sa mga uban nga mga technique nga itudlo sa ilaha. Now, the problem, our instruments. Some parents dili maka-afford. So I've been talking with the mayor nga kung pwede maka-purchase og mga gamit. Then, nangatanan ko kay Recital where we can get. So na siya gi-offer sa ako. It's really good in Japanese eh. So kabisado niya eh. He's been going to Japan, and in fact they have some engagement with Japan with the orchestra. No, they're really good at that. And even sa training. And suggest po sa ako si Sir Chito, number 1, we need a repairman. Mao daw na'y kulang. Ingon pa ni Mayor sa ako, tama. Daghan kay tagdaot nga instrumento. But walay nakahibalo mo repair. So, Cito will be providing us with the training para magkaroon og repairman. So, akong gisuggest, pwede nato i-train ang atong mga PWD para kaning ilang mga instruments kanunay ma-maintain. This is expensive. Mahal ni. So, kinahanglan yun na atay repairman. So, yun ang next target namo nga himoon. Number 2, ang i-launch nato sa number 2 karong musikahan will be the children's choir. So, tawag sila Tagum City Children's Choir. So, nagsugod namin ni Ana adto pang September sa training. So, nagkalain-lain nga kabataan at nag-undergo na silang audition kay they will be also an ambassador of Tagum City. It's a show choir. They will be featuring, they will be singing the Mindanaoan songs. So sila, ang atong himoon nga mupadala sa ngalan sa Tagum City, if ever nga adunay muhangyo sa ato og mga performances. Ang atong Tagum City kanunay ginaimbita nga kung asa manghangyo nga pwede ba magpadala og performers. So now we're producers of artists, performing artists, o guban nga mga talento. And bago ang tanan, tanan dili ni mahitabo, of course, coming from the city government, but most of all, to you parents, nga salamat sa pakipag-alayon ninyo sa aning nga programa. Let's make Tagum City as not only the music capital of the South, but the entire country. Now, everyone is going to music already. Nakita na ako sa Facebook, General Santos is now aiming for general musikahan. So naanatay competitors, okay? Daghanan ng gaya. Kaya dapat kinahanglan dili ta nila malabuan. And I'm pretty sure na unata sa ilaha ug daghan na kaayo tag-produce. Same thing with our Christmas tree. Walay makalupig sa kataas. Maglisod sila gapas. Okay? Nahaon nata. This time, daghan na, even Davao City, karon nilang Paskuhan, para silang nagmusikahan. And mostly of their participants were coming from Tagum City, joining the competitions. So that's nice. Nga, malipay ta, nga ginasunod ang atong trabaho. That's best practices of our city. Okay? So to all of you, mga kabataan, congratulations! Merry Christmas! Hello! Okay, gusto kong makita mo nako in the international arena. Okay, and to the parents once again, thank you so much. And ato sa mga trainers, salamat kaayo. And of course, labo sa tanan, the city government, na diri nag-represent si Engineer Coquilla, coming from the city government. Thank you so much for the support. Siguro na-mention ni John Ganiha ang under their support ni sa city government for this program. So once again to all of you, God bless.
Thank you so much, Ms. Alma L. Uy. This program has truly played a significant role in nurturing the growth and development of these young musicians. At this moment, let us delight in the captivating melodies brought to us by the R.T.U keyboard recitalists. Let's give them a warm round of applause. What a mesmerizing performance coming from the keyboard recitalists. We would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate our very own LCM Vanguard's Reggae for being the champion during the Banda Dasig Marching Band last December 7, 2025 during the Paskuhan sa Davao City. Congratulations! At this point in the program, let us turn our attention to the R.T.U saxophonists as they treat us to a special intermission performance. Let's give them a big round of applause. and gentlemen, a big hand to the R.T.U saxophonist. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our City Mayor, Honorable R.T.U. Thank you so much, sir. At this juncture, we are delighted to present another set of musical performances that will showcase the dedication, passion, and progress of our young musicians. Please join us in welcoming to the stage the talented members of the R.T.U String Builders. Let's show our support and appreciation with a warm round of applause. performance from the R.T.U String Builders. This time, let us make our way to the R.T.U percussion recitalists in their solo musical performance. A round of applause, please. again to the R.T.U percussionists. Up next, the R.T.U Rondalia performers are ready to showcase their prepared performance. Let's welcome them with a round of applause. incredible performance from our Rondalia recitalists. Before we proceed to witness the remaining performances, let us hear an inspirational message from one of the R.T.U parents, Miss Jocelyn Oquendo. Let's give her a big hand.
Hello. Good evening, everybody, especially to our guest, Madam Alma Oy, where's Surgeon Coquilla, Sir Vic, our mayor, beloved mayor. In behalf of the parents, grandparents, mga yaya, guardians, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude in thanking the LJU Tagum, especially to our beloved Mayor R.T.U, and also her beloved wife. For I know there is no success without without a woman behind. And the success of R.T.U is through our beloved Mayor and Madam Uy. Also with the help of the LGU department, the councilors, and also the trainers. The theme today for the 12th batch of R.T.U is really very good. Why? It is known as What a Bright Light to Its Bright Light, Bright Time. Why? During this time, I remember one student of R.T.U. She is now in US. She started at the early age of 3 to 4 years old, and now she is already a very good musician. She was there already, very talented lad. She's already in college. But as of this time, she could play any kind of instrument, from piano, violin, and whatever. Now, I could say this time is a very good thing. This is the time for the kids to be developed at an early age, to have a good future that will lead them to a very bright future. For this, we would like to thank the trainers as well from every musical instrument, that without them, the kids will not have their talent as of this moment. From rondalia to percussions, violin, lahat drums, na dili jud mahatag sa mga ginikanan. Kay ngano, kulang ang among kaalam. But we are very lucky because of the support of the LGU. This program will not prosper as of this time. Para sa atong tanan, mabuhay ang LGU Tagum, mabuhay si Mayor Uy, ang iyang konsehal, o si Madam Alma nga nagpaluyuan. Sa tanan, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of us. Good evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your unwavering support of this musical workshop. We remain committed to guiding and nurturing the youth on their musical journey. To give us another intermission number this evening, let us welcome Cedric J. Roble and Samar Manlangi to the stage in their saxophone and violin duo performance. A round of applause, please. what an exceptional duo performance. At this point, I'm sure we're all eager to hear the golden voices of the R.T.U voice recitalists, accompanied by the acoustic and electric guitar, bass guitar, drums, and keyboard recitalists. Please join me in giving them a warm round of applause. 160 graduates of Batch 12. Today marks the culmination of their hard work, determination, and perseverance. As they step forward into the next chapter, let us take a moment to celebrate their success. Congratulations, graduates! To acknowledge the significant milestone, we will now present the certificates of completion to the graduates. We would like to invite all the trainers of our recitalists, along with our distinguished guests, to the stage. Allow me to read the citation. Certificate of completion is proudly presented to for having completed a 3-month basic course in music with concentration on under the R.T.U. Music Makers Batch 12 with the theme, What a Bright Time, It's the Right Time. Given this 19th day of December 2025 at the Tagum City Cultural and Trade Center Pavilion. Signed, Harold John J. Humawit, PDO3 MML Coordinator. Signed, Evelyn B. Chua, Executive Assistant 4. Signed, R.T.U, City Mayor. Again, we would like to invite our guests and trainers to the stage for a photo opportunity. Tumayo ang ating mga violin and rondalia so that we can see you here. Also, our voice na nasa front, you may stand para makita kayo. Yes, ating mga kids, mga voice, ayan, stand po tayo. Ayan. Yan, pwede lang po ibaba ang ating certificates na nasa harap para makita po yung nasa likod. Okay, ibaba lang daw ang ating certificates. Pakibaba lang, ayan. Chest level lang daw po. Alright, let's take a picture. And 1, 2, 3, smile. One more pa po. Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, picture daw po muna ang ating with participants. Ayan, kindly stand. Tayo po ang ating win. Ayan, sa likod lang po pala yung tumayo. Okay, ready, win, participants? Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, up next ang ating keyboard. Tayo po yung nasa likod. Keyboard participants. Tayo yung nasa likod. Ayan, tayo, tayo. Let's have a picture per instrument. Yung nasa likod, pwedeng tumayo. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Tingin sa camera. Okay, how about our percussion? Percussion as the center. Can you stand for the photo opportunity? Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. Baba lang po yung mga certificate para makita ang inyong magagandang faces. Thank you so much. As we conclude this musical recital, let us take a moment to express our appreciation appreciation for the incredible performances we have witnessed today. It has truly been a celebration of talent and artistry. Now, as we close this chapter, we are delighted to welcome back our talented R.T.U Music Makers Batch 12 recitalists for their finale performance. Congratulations, R.T.U Music Makers Batch 12 graduates. Thank you everyone for being with us tonight. We hope you enjoyed their recital. We would also like to take this opportunity to thank and acknowledge the remarkable individuals who made this show possible. We would like to start off by acknowledging our R.T.U Music Makers trainers who were with our participants since day one, starting with Mr. Noel Abapo for ukulele and regalia, Mr. Nilo Cabradilla for acoustic guitar, Mr. Samuel Segovia III for electric guitar, violin trainer Mr. Bayani Abapo, Mr. Cedric Edwin Rolite for bass guitar, keyboard trainer Mr. Emmanuel Dahao and Miss Jeanette Grace Ortez, Mr. Florence